All right, people ask me, what's the biggest change since the coronavirus in terms of underwriting mortgage applications? And in my opinion, the biggest change since April is the underwriting of self-employed applicants. So what it used to be is you just submit your last 2 years tax returns. So if you're self-employed and you don't have you're a sole proprietor, you just submit your personal income tax returns for the last 2 years. If you have a business, then you provide the last 2 years of the business tax returns. So 2 years tax returns, done. That's it. So the underwriter is just calculating income based on what is displayed on the tax returns. Okay, now you submit those tax returns just as you normally would when you're applying as a self-employed applicant. But in addition to providing the tax returns, the underwriter is going to want to see a profit and loss statement. If you don't have a business bank account, that profit and loss statement needs to be audited. So now you need a business bank account, profit and loss statement. We need something to show that the business is currently open and operating. And if there is declining income, which you can imagine is pretty commonplace for self-employed borrowers because they're just going through the pandemic just like the rest of us, then the underwriter will not be able to approve the loan just based on the income declining. So that as far as the underwriting guidelines is the biggest change. But not only that, so many lenders are saying, hey, we're not even doing self-employed loans because of this. Some lenders are saying, we'll do the loans, but it's going to be a 21-day turn time for those loans to be underwritten. So it's just really important to know if you are a 1099 or self-employed or you own a business that you're going to be asked to provide documents that you've never had to provide as part of a mortgage application, and it's going to be a much more cumbersome process than what you're probably accustomed to even if it's just to refinance your mortgage to a lower interest rate.